Guys, you won't believe this. You won't believe this. So the SIU Special Investigating Unit just raided businessman Hangwani Maumela's luxury mansion in Sandhurst, Sandton. They seized Lamborghinis, designer furniture, and even high-end artwork, all part of the 820 million operation. So according to IOL News, this raid is linked to the Tembisa Hospital looting scandal, the same one that Ubabita Deokaran tried to expose before she was unalived in 2021. So remember when we spoke about her, the whistleblower who uncovered how millions meant for hospital patients were being stolen. Well, people kept asking, what is the SIU going to do after all of that? I'm telling you, they've started. You can see. They've finally started. So this morning, on Thursday, 9th of October 2025, investigators arrived at Mawumela's mansion with locksmiths, law enforcement, and removal trucks. They took vehicles, art, and furniture, everything believed to have been bought with corrupt hospital money. The SIU says Mawumela's companies scored inflated contracts for medical supplies, catering, and cleaning, all through shady procurement deals. He's at the center of a network accused of helping loot over 2 billion from Tembisa Hospital. So the raid alone supports a 300 million forfeiture case against him and his associates. So yeah, it's happening. The same corruption Ubabita Deokaran was unalived trying to expose. The SIU is now taking back what was stolen. Let's hope this is the start for real accountability in South Africa. With that being said, I will see you on the next one. Ziyakhala.